Alright, start tayo kay Batgirl. Ito yung appearance niya. So this is the front, the side, the back. This is Red Robin, the front, side, and back. Overview lang muna, tapos we'll get into the specifics. This is Batman from the Dark Knight Returns, front, side, and back. Ito yung kanyang back ng backside mismo. Tapos ito yung cape. Okay, tapos ito yung may quote na version na Batman Dark Detective from DC Future State. Ito yung meron kasing version nito na ano eh, na walang quote. Yan. Tapos lahat ng Jokerized na figures na to, meron silang card holders, very cool. Ito yung kay Batgirl, tapos ito yung kay Red Robin. Tapos lahat ng paints na to, gumamit sila ng mga reflective paints. Mamaya turn off natin yung lights. Tapos meron akong blue light dito. If you shine blue light on them, meron silang magre-reflect yung paint na ginamit nila. Usually, yung pinaka-reflective na paint na ginamit nila dito is yung green. Green paint and blue. Ano, stig ng Jokerized na mga figures pala na to. So, meron ding card holder I think yung yellow medyo walang ano eh, walang reflective capability. Okay? Tapos, every figure except the Dark Knight meron ding cards. Hindi ko lang sure kung meron cards to. Pero sa package na to, wala siyang cards. Ganda ng design. So you have the Queen, the 10 of Diamonds, 3 of Spades, tapos 6 of Clubs. Ito yung included kay Batgirl. Ganda rin ang design dito sa likod. DC Multiverse na some sort of eye. Tapos may mga parang sun ray sa background. Very cool design. I love the Joker designs na medyo nasa street art, graffiti style, may mga splatters, you have the ha-ha na text, very vibrant colors, purple and green. Complementary yan na color palette. So, ang ganda ng color combination nila. Plus, dagdagan mo pa ng mga neutrals like black, gray, at saka brown. Very nice color combination. Shout out to McFarlane Toys. Tsaka, shout out din pala sa kanila kasi ang ganda ng mga sculpt, iba-iba. As in, so for Batgirl, this is the body. For Red Robin, iba rin yung body sculpt niya. You have the wings sa likod, massive wingspan. Look at that. O, di ba? Parang dalawang figures na. So, pag pinagtapat mo si Batman and yung si Batgirl, parang ito around 7 inches maybe to. 6 inches wingspan. Tapos, I think 12 inches yung wingspan niya pag in a straight line. Pero per wing, I think this is 6 inches tall. Okay, tapos, this is Batman. Very nice, bulky body. You have the cape. Very, very nice. Shoutout din talaga. Ganda ng mga sculpt ni McFarlane Toys. Gustong gusto ko yung gawa nila dito kasi you have different textures, you have different uh, molds, different waves ng patterns ng clothes. You have the stitches, the fold, the drapery is different. Tapos dito kay Batman, yung suit niya, tinan mo yung muscle tone, yung muscle definition. Ramdam mo na ano eh, tight yung bodysuit niya. Then the cape is also different. Ganda ng drapery din dito sa likod. So that's very nice. Okay, dito naman tayo kay Batgirl. Also, ang ganda nung pagka wave ng cape from the top right to the left. Very dynamic. Tapos iba yung color niya. Color niya sa outside of the cape is green. Tapos yung inside is yellow. You have the white Joker powdery face. Very nice paint on the eyes. Hindi siya crazy eyes. Kasi usually, ang nahihirapan na rin ako mag-paint ng eyes kasi sobrang liit na. Kaya ang ganda ng mga paint ng mata dito. Tsaka yung lips. Very defined. You have the nose bridge. Tapos, ang ganda rin ng paint job nila. So, you have the uh, purple plastic na ginamit. Tapos, they painted gold. Also, ito, yellow plastic to. Tapos, ito, green paint yung in-apply nila dito. I think this is yellow plastic. Tapos, dito naman is green paint din. Very nice. Mamaya, ilawan natin to ng, ng black, ng blue light. Tapos, meron siya accessories. You have the batarang and the grappling gun. Dito naman kay Red Robin, this is I think ito yung favorite ko out of the four figures because of the wingspan, because of the wing design. Very nice. Parang si Archangel from Marvel. Very, very cool wing design. So you have the backpack na naka-attach yung wings. Tapos articulated pa yung wings niya. Nga pala, articulation ni Batgirl. So you can, head can look up, down, rotate. Meron pang ano, hindi pa naghihinder yung buhok niya sa articulation. Arms can rotate, tapos up, meron din rotation yung arms niya, double jointed na elbow, ball joint yung kamay, stretch, crunch, kick that far, back kick that far, out, double jointed knee, ball joint yung paa, tapos meron ding toe articulation. Ito naman kay Red Robin, very nice na X na holster. And then you have the straps here na meron mga bullets. You have the pouches. Tapos ang color combination nito ay green. Ang dami niyang color separation, which is very nice. Offset pa yung ano niya, offset pa yung belt niya. Ang stylish na armor design. So you have the X na holster on straps on each arm. Then you have the belt, offset belt. Tapos you have also the knee pads, green knee pads. And you also have the boots, green boots. Ganda rin ng paint dito sa face. Mamaya pag shine natin ng black light or ng blue light, magsha-shine yung face niya na kasi painted to ng orange eh. I think that will be very reflective orange. Tapos ito yung wings niya nakalagay Joker ha ha ha. And then you have the clown graffiti style na illustration. And then ano to? Hindi ko alam po. HO maybe. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Okay, some graffiti lines or shapes. Okay, dito naman tayo kay Batman from The Dark Knight. This is heavy kasi ito medyo slim yung body pero ito grabe, very hefty yung design niya. Wide body, you have the wide chest, very cool looking Batman muscular na suit. Ang color combination nito ay purple. Ni-retain nila yung gray ng bat suit and the black boots. Tapos they painted the suit na ha 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 ha. Dito 1, 2, 3, 3 sections. Tapos yung logo niya is purple, cape is purple. So ang ganda ng ginawa nila dito, green na paint. Tapos parang in-stamp nila ng sponge para magkaroon ng gradient effect. Ng spray paint effect pala. Okay, pati dito din sa inside of the cape. Very nice, luminous green. This is very reflective pag tinapatan nyo yan ng blue light. In terms of articulation nga pala kay Robin, up, down, head 360, arms can move out. Hindi mo na, teka, maikot mo ba yung arm? Well, pag nakababa yung wings, maikot mo yung arm. Pero pag nakaangat, hindi mo maikot. Okay? Arms can move out, it can rotate, double jointed elbow, ball jointed yung kamay. You can do the stretch like that. You can do crunch, side to side. Tapos, kick that far, kick outside, back kick that far, double jointed knee, ball joint yung paa, and then meron ding toe articulation. Ganon din dito kay Batman, head can rotate, very nice Joker teeth and mouth. Look at that. Tapos naka-extend pa yung red na paint doon sa kanyang cheeks papunta doon sa side ng kanyang cheek armor. Okay? Arms can move outwards, can rotate. Hindi rin naghihinder yung rotation niya, yung articulation. Okay. Wala tong cut dito. Kasi usually yung mga ibang characters merong cut dito sa part na to eh. Yung sa a bicep. Dito wala. Kay Batman wala. Kay double jointed na. Tama. I think single. I think this is single. Single joint lang pala to pero 90 degrees yung kanyang articulation, yung angle niya. Ball jointed yung kamay. It can stretch that far. You can rotate din yung waist. Crunch. Meron bang ab crunch to? Medyo konti lang din. Okay? Tapos, meron din pala siyang cut dito sa ilalim ng belt. Very nice. Tapos meron siyang thigh cut. Yung iba walang thigh cut eh. So yun yung difference. Dito sa Batman The Dark Knight, merong thigh cut. Pwede nyo ma-rotate yan. Ayan. Oh. Doon sa iba wala. Tapos double can kick that far. Back kick that far. Teka, back kick lang natin ah. Back kick that far. Can move out. Double jointed knee. Tapos meron ding to articulation. Ball joint din yung paa. Okay? Next naman, dito kay Batman Dark Detective. Ito yung ginawa ko ano eh. Favorite ko din to kasi ginawa ko tong Batman X Punisher. Nilagay ko yung Punisher logo dito sa kanyang vest. This time, kagawa tayo ng mga Jokerized na Batman designs. Okay. So, yung face niya, white powdery skin. Tapos, ang ganda rin ng paint sa teeth and the mouth. So, you have the red clown mouth and then spread yung lipstick. And then, you have the yellow eyes, black cowl, black vest. Tapos, ang ganda ng ginawa nila dito, para siyang stencil na style ng Batman logo. Tapos, in-spray paint parang spray paint style, yung Batman logo dun sa chest niya. You have the gold. I think niretain nila tong part na to sa ilalim. Ano bang kulay ito? Para siyang camo green na brown. Camo green, desaturated camo green. Itong part na to. Okay? Tapos gold, buckle, brown leather belt, purple na cape. Ang ganda nito, under blue light. You have the shoulder armor, gloves. Tapos, meron ding sponging technique pala dito na ginamit din. Ito, reflective din to eh. And then, meron din siyang thigh cut. Very cool. Tapos, reflective din tong part na to. Ang ganda ng mga sponging techniques na ginagamit nila. Para very cohesive dun sa theme na Joker. So, ang ginagamit ni Joker na design theme is yung puro scribbles, handwritten designs, spray paint na visuals, splatters, tapos may mga very scribbly lines. Galing ng pagkaka-apply din dito. So, test natin yung articulation muna. Head can look up. Wala masyado. Down, 360. Pwede. Tapos, ang ganda rin ng ginawa nila dito na hindi nakadikit itong part na to ng shoulder para maikot mo pa. Okay? Tapos, arms can move out. Meron ding articulation itong part na to sa bicep area. Double jointed yung kanyang kamay. Ganda ng articulation. Ball jointed yung wrist. It can also do some stretch like that. Crunch, very nice crunch. Meron din rotation, up and down. Meron dito sa part na to. Upper thigh, upper chest cut, lower waist cut. Kick that far. Back kick that far. Kick outwards. Tapos, medyo mahirap. Pag medyo mahirap i-articulate, gumamit kayo ng blower para dito. Ingat lang baka mabali. Okay, double jointed knee. Tapos, medyo mahirap pala to. Ayun, medyo mahirap lang i-articulate to. Okay. Papainitan lang natin yan. Yung knee niya. Okay, tapos yung kanyang paa, ball joint, and then nito articulation din. Okay, turn off ko lang yung lights, then let's test the blue light. Okay, game, pinatay ko na yung lights, and then ito yung mga parts na umiilaw kay Batgirl. So, reflective yung kanyang hair. Very nice. Reflective capability ng paints na ginamit ni McFarlane Toys. So, you have the orange hair. Ganda ng joints. So, tinan mo yung joints. Reflective blue. Tapos, yung joints niya dito sa paa is green. Sa likod naman, reflective din yung kanyang green cape. Very nice. Tapos, dito sa mga card holders, very reflective din talaga yung green. Yun yung pinakamalakas na may reflective capability dun among the paints. Okay. And also, next, yung pink and yung orange. Ayan, ganda. Ganda ng gawa nila dito. So, you have, ito yung eyes na nagre-reflect kay Red Robin. And also the hair. Tapos yung blue hindi masyado eh. Hindi masyado nagre-reflect eh. Wala masyado nare-reflect na ilaw. Pero yung green ang ganda talaga. Then you have the magenta, orange, wala, very dull. Okay, this one, very nice luminous green. Ganda kasi para siyang ano eh, para siyang toxin or lalo na yung yellow pala from Hero Paints din. Mamaya, custom natin to. Wow, very cool magenta paint from Batman The Dark Knight Returns. Look at the belt. Grabe yung belt nito. Sobrang ganda. Okay. This one, ooh, very cool. Pagdating naman dito kay Dark Detective, blue na yung ano, blue na yung cape niya under blue lights. Kasi purple to in normal lighting conditions. Okay? So yan, ang ganda rin ng logo niya pala pag na sisinaga ng ano ng blue light. And also this, I like this, yung mga sponge effect sa wrist and sa feet. So yun yung gagawin natin for the custom repaint. Okay? All right. Shout out to Sir Ralph. Thank you very much for this set. Ate ko lahat ng ilaw. Yan. Again, shout out to Wreck-It Ralph sa Facebook page. Puntahan niyo siya, facebook.com/RAFToys. And makikita niyo yung mga post niya about toys. Nagbebenta rin siya. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nakakuha ako ng Jokerized set, one ZD Toys Venom na action figure, 110 scale, and also Blanca 112 scale from Jada Toys. Alright. So yun lang mga ma'am, sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video.